don't shrug. It's cool, we about hugs. From festivals to clubs to pubs, it's us. Don't know, then get clued up. Right, who's up to get down up the front? Flex your powers like Elvis did. It was held in until you let go. If you did it, would it irk you? Yes, dude. So do it and do it soon. If my life's a laugh, then at least this is true. If last week dissed and then dismissed you, then dig this tune with the bliss that hits you.